So the other thing that I want to talk about is, which we have been doing, is the family meeting agenda.
That's awesome, man.
What's the first of all, like I can't even remember when we got married and when I started getting into like business strategy and stuff, I was like, man, we need to have a mission for our family. And we still have we've gotten clear on our personal mission, my wife and I, like each of us have our own, and then our business mission is to free you up to do what you love. That's what Boolean exists for. But we haven't done one for the family, and now we're getting closer um, to doing this, and it was through seeing your posts on social media of like hey, number, I don't know what number you guys are on, 100 or 200 and something, right? How many family meetings have you done?
Hundreds and hundreds.
Yeah. And I was like, Natalie, check this out. And then you texted me the agenda and stuff. And I was like, this is fantastic. And so the first meeting that we had, we're like explaining to our kids. And again, they're all under 6. So it's like we had to adapt quite a bit. But it was cool because we got to the part of like the homestead, like, hey, what needs to be improved? What are we doing? Whatnot. And one of our kids was like, this swing in our basement, when it is moving, it goes. And I was like, oh, we can teach you about WD-40. So, anyways, it's like,
It's like 50% of life. The other half is duct tape.